hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and let's dive right into the analysis here as Bitcoin pushes up to 70,000. It actually got a little bit of a drop today, back down to 70,000 or around 69,800, but ended up bouncing back near the end of the day. So overall, holding quite well, and I think Bitcoin could be gearing up for another push higher here towards the $80,000 target. And I really think that we may go even higher. There's like some higher targets around 92,000. But let's hit our first target, which is going to be around 82, then 86, and then the big 100, right, that everyone's looking at. And I still think that when we do hit these levels here, we're going to form some bearish divergence in a larger fifth wave, which will end this big rally. But again, don't forget, I could be wrong. Maybe this thing really just takes off and just keeps pumping to 200K or whatever. But we'll see. We'll take it as it goes. We're not even there yet. Right now, we're still at 70,000. We have yet to clear the all-time high around 73,800. So that's our line in the sand right now, right? So let's not forget that. That's our line in the sand right there. We got to cross it. I think this was maybe the previous all-time high. There you go. I think I might have moved it. So let's just bring that back down. There we go. So that's our line in the sand. We got to get over that. And once we do clear this, I think we have clear skies towards the 80K level. Let me dive into Wave Edge and Market Cipher because I did not cover Wave Edge yesterday. That was my bad, guys. I forgot to tell you guys what Smart Money was doing. So you saw Smart Money taking some profits here on the 4-hour time frame, but I think there is more upside to come, right? Just because we saw a little bit of profit taking doesn't mean the bulls have unloaded everything. And in the short terms, like on the really the smaller time frames, you can see them already getting up to reload on some longs. Today on this dip that we got back down to 69,800, you saw Smart Money buying on the 5-minute, right? So that's what I like to see. We entered some trades here in Bitcoin, hoping for another rally up. Could be part, of a larger correction. Wouldn't be surprised for that either. But again, we have a strong uptrend now, and you don't want to discount it. When we take a look at the smaller time frames, let's get over here on the 1 hour back on a regular chart. You could see that we erased divergence. Let me see, which time frame am I on? There we go, on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, we erased divergence in this third wave here. So to me, this kind of shows me that we just extended the third wave. Now we're in a 4. The 4 could already be done, and I think we're going for another fifth wave here in the first wave. And again, this can keep extending on, right? So it gonna keep extending and extending and extending. Let me just see here. There we go. So we're inside of a 303 essentially of our first wave. So very bullish, very bullish indeed. And I think we got higher to go. Count's getting a little bit messy here. Let me just delete one count. There we go. That's a little bit better. I think I had too many there. So we're essentially inside this third wave, continuing to push up, and we got more upside to go. So again, very bullish. No problems in Bitcoin at the moment that I see. Daily time frame also shaping up. We're back in green money flow. We are starting to lose a little bit of momentum here. So maybe we'll consolidate around the $70,000 area for a few days before we continue higher. But again, just gives us time to potentially reload on our longs and get ready to go higher. You still got green money flow on the 1 hour. You got a nice little dip buy green dot here, and that's why we pulled the trigger on the long as well. It's showing a deeper correction as possible, which could mean that the fourth wave extends a little bit lower, which I wouldn't be surprised. But right now, still favoring some upside. Tomorrow after hours, we do have earnings for NVIDIA, so that's going to be a big market moving event, not just for cryptocurrencies, but for the whole stock market as well. So that's going to be something you guys got to pay attention to. Okay, so don't forget about that. Let's check the larger time frames here. So larger time frame, we do have a red cross right here on the daily. But again, bigger picture. Oh wow, look at that! I actually didn't notice this. We actually have a red cross on the 2-day time frame, so that's quite interesting. Again, remember we're in a strong uptrend, so I don't pay as much attention. It doesn't mean I don't pay attention, but I don't pay as much attention to the bearish signals when we're in a bull market. But when we are in a bear market, these bearish signals are the key points to take into account. So when you see these red crosses in bear markets, you know, they lead to massive downside, but the green crosses lead to massive upside. And recently we got a 3-day green cross and a 4-day green cross as well. So I'm expecting a lot more upside in Bitcoin. I don't think this rally is over yet. I know there's a lot of people who are stuck in shorts who may get blown up, which will cause this rally to go further. You know, I was talking about 50K as a possibility, but it doesn't look like that's playing out. And the bullish scenario is playing out. And that's what we caught inside the Discord, and we're catching some longs. I haven't, you know, I've been dealing with a lot of scammers on fake Mickeys. So soon we may just have to end the whole free Discord aspect. And, you know, it's not like I post any trades for the free members. It's just for people to come and join and chat. But if scammers want to abuse it, then we're gonna ban all the members, unfortunately, the free members, and just keep the paid members with the service going, because that's what really people love to see. Anyways, they're getting really excited on our long positions and our short positions, and you guys can check my profit loss history. It's posted on our website. These are just some of the previous trades we did. I think we had a big winner recently as well. I think it was like a 49%. Yeah, nice little trade right there. Always post my entries, enters, stops, longs, all that stuff. So feel free to check out probably the tutorial or the preview, and you guys can get an idea what the service is. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Still looking for some more upside. I don't think this rally is over yet, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.